In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download Amazon shopping app on iPhone. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now let's get started. Open your app store. Here we go. Now at the bottom you can see different options. Go to the option of that search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now at the top you can see the search bar. Type there Amazon shopping and then tap on search. Now at the top you can see that Amazon shopping app has appeared. Now on the right corner you can see that arrow showing downwards. Tap on that icon. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see that it is in the process to be downloaded. After it is downloaded to your device, you just have to open it and it is ready to use. In this way, you can easily download Amazon shopping app on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.